math used in sitar. The sitar, a classical string instrument, is a masterpiece of mathematical precision, symmetry, and acoustical engineering. Mathematics plays a crucial role in defining the structure, sound quality, and tuning of the sitar, ensuring perfect resonance and melody. Let's explore the role of math in the sitar. Sitar uses math in string length and frequency. The fundamental principle governing the sitar's sound is the mathematical relationship between string length and frequency, defined by the equation F equals V2L, where F is frequency, V is wave speed, and L is string length. Musicians adjust string length to control pitch and maintain harmony. Fret placement and harmonics. The sitar's movable frets are positioned based on geometric calculations and logarithmic spacing, following the formula dn equals L, 1 to n square 12, where dn is the distance from the bridge to the nth fret. This ensures that each note aligns with the natural harmonic scale. Resonance and symmetry. The sitar's gourd-shaped resonator amplifies sound through precise proportions and symmetry, enhancing the instrument's tonal quality. The secondary sympathetic strings create resonance, governed by wave equations and harmonic resonance principles. String tension and tuning. The tension in the strings, determined by the formula T equals 4mLF2F2G, where m is the mass per unit length, allows musicians to fine-tune the sitar for perfect pitch and sustain. Mathematical principles applied. Harmonic series governs sound wave frequencies and tuning. Logarithmic functions define fret spacing for accurate musical scales. Symmetry and proportion optimize resonance and aesthetics. Mathematics is deeply embedded in the construction and tuning of the sitar, ensuring its ability to produce mesmerizing melodies with perfect accuracy.